Hello, my name is Paula. I am going to talk about what my friend do to relax. My friend Carlos likes to listen to music in the evening because it helps him feel calm. Liz prefers to watch movies on weekends, especially with her family. Ceci enjoys reading book at night before going to bed. And my friend Matthias usually goes for a walk in the park when he feels stressed. In general, my friend relax by doing simple activities that make them happy and comfortable. Thank you for listening.